In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a mouse cursor that seems to have a mind of its own on Windows 11. If you've ever been in the middle of doing something important on your computer, only to see your mouse cursor wandering across the screen of its own accord, you know how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, I'm here to guide you through some easy steps to regain control. First, the best place to start is by updating your mouse and touchpad drivers. To do this, go to your Device Manager. You can access the Device Manager by typing Device Manager in the Windows search bar and clicking on the corresponding result. Once you're there, locate your mouse and touchpad, right-click on each one, and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to ensure your drivers are up to date. Updated drivers can solve a multitude of erratic behavior issues, so this step is crucial. After updating your drivers, let's head over to the Control Panel. Simply search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and click on it to open. Once the Control Panel window opens, find the Hardware and Sound option and click on it. This is where all your device management needs happen. Inside the Hardware and Sound settings, locate Mouse and click on it. This will take you to the mouse settings. Now navigate to the Pointers tab and make sure the Use Default option is selected. This sets your mouse pointer settings to the system default, which can often resolve those wacky behavior issues. Next, move to the Pointer Options tab. This is where additional settings can influence mouse movement. Firstly, you might want to adjust your pointer speed. This slider allows you to make the pointer move faster or slower based on how far you move the mouse. You'll want to find a speed that feels comfortable and controllable for you. While you're in this tab, there's a couple more settings we need to tweak. Uncheck the option labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Although it sounds like something you'd want, it sometimes causes more issues than it solves by making the cursor drift unexpectedly. Another setting to change is unchecking Hide Pointer while typing. Sometimes the cursor can remain hidden or move without user input because of this setting, so make sure it's unchecked. After making these adjustments, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. If the cursor still acts up, a simple restart of your computer can often sweep away leftover settings problems that need a reboot to finalize. With all these steps, your cursor should be behaving itself once more. Remember, always ensure your drivers are up to date and keep an eye on those pointer settings if anything goes awry again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.